Hi, I'm Stephanie, and I'm going to show you how to place elegant embroidery on this delicate scarf with the Baby Lock Flourish 2. First, let's hoop our scarf. Place your dissolve-away mesh into the hoop. Now we're going to use that grid that came with your hoop. And we are going to mark a couple of spots with our friction pen, just to help us center our scarf. Then we're going to find our center and measure 6 inches up from the bottom. Draw your vertical line. Take your spray and spritz your stabilizer. Now we're going to line up our mark and kind of see it through your fabric. And we're ready to take it to the machine. Let's go ahead and thread our machine. And place your bobbin in the bobbin case. Make sure that you don't catch any fabric underneath your frame. Line it up and lock it in. And let's select our design. Select the floral design. Pan through to your second page, and we're going to select 006. Now let's rotate our design, and let's make this design as big as it can go. Now you'll notice there's a couple of color changes in here, and we're actually going to stitch this out monochromatic. And let's see where this is going to stitch out. So let's do a perimeter check. When you're happy with your placement, you are ready to embroider. So pretty. Explore this project and many more at babylock.com.